Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is today's puzzle. It's the 500 piece Harry Potter horcrux jigsaw. Well, let's get into it. Okay, looks like we've got a map. Yeah, full poster there of the finished puzzle. So that's going to come in really handy, I think. Great. We've also got a new timer today, so I'm going to time it. I think I'm going to aim for 4 hours with this. Let's see if I can get this done in 4 hours. So I'll kick the timer off and start the time lapse. So about an hour done so far. Pretty good. I think we're doing okay. Done the edge. Been concentrating on these sort of blue areas, and I picked out some of this stuff that I think makes up the sword there of Gryffindor. Got these red bits. I think that's this jewel. Well, I don't know what that is. Maybe that's the Philosopher's Stone. Don't know, but. We'll do another hour and we'll see where we are, but I think I'm on target here for getting this done. here and doing pretty well, I think, but a lot of the pieces that are left are like very dark, so I think it's going to get harder from now on. So I'll start the timer again. We'll do another hour. Well, that's the puzzle complete in 2 hours 51. I'm pretty happy with that time. I'm going to give this 2 out of 5 for difficulty. There's some tricky bits in there, some areas of similar colour which you might find a bit difficult, but overall it's fairly easy to get going with this. And if you're new to puzzling, this could be a great place to start. And if you're a Harry Potter fan, even better, because all the horcruxes are on there. The Sword of Gryffindor, there's even a Marauder's map there in the background, and it's got this nice kind of matte finish to it. It's a really good quality puzzle. Well, that brings us to the end of the video, and if you do like this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be back again soon with another Jigsaw puzzle. Thanks for watching The Missing Piece.